and they chose to move forward with us for $75,000 with the 100% prepayment discount addendum. David mentioned this the other day, but they accepted the offer. They took the 75, and that was on December the 23rd. Three types that are out there. I put at the head of it construction. Now that includes home builders, plumbers, electricians, pavers, excavators, HVAC, roofers, asphalt companies. It just goes on and on and on. I love this market, and I have really dedicated my time when I am going to be talking to business people outside of this office to talk to people in the construction industry, and they're everywhere. Even in my office right here, I run across people all the time that are in here working on the office. There's 60 some offices in this building. So I can see people that have ladders and electricians, and I can go talk to them. Plus the people that own this building, they own a lot of other ones, and they're going to be able to become a great resource to me. I'm just now beginning to talk to them after all this time. I would pick out this as an industry for two reasons. Number one, most of these folks have great revenue. It's going to be almost all over 15 to 25,000. Most of them are going to be 50,000 and above on a monthly basis. Some of them several hundred thousand. These folks need money all the time, and especially a lot of subcontractors. They've got crews they got to pay. If they're a landscaping contractor, they're always messing up a mower or something. They don't have time to go do an application, run it through, and hope in another week to 10 days they're going to get an answer on whether or not they can lease equipment. Most of the time it's no. 90% of businesses going to banks is going to be a no. So I would pick out construction over every one. If it were me, if you feel comfortable talking to construction people, I love retail because all day long you can pass out cards in retail. The smaller ones like ice cream shops and little lighting companies, shipping and mailing. Usually the owners there, they're really good. And if you see any kind of landscaping, and by the way, this is the perfect time. But landscaping, tree service, and pool contractors are fabulous. They're going to need money all the time. Then there's repair shops, especially auto and truck repair, but pretty much any type of repair shop. There are some high risk industries out there that may only qualify for 25 to 100% of what their current monthly revenue are, and you just need to understand what those are. Most of them are seasonal. A lot of them are iffy type industries because of the fact that they can come and go tomorrow. And credit repair companies, I think, are great, but if they're going to take funding themselves, they're only going to get anywhere from 25 to 100% of what they're doing on a monthly basis. But here are our spotlighted deals of this past week. Number one, a financial services company we got $30,000 for. They're out of Connecticut. They needed funds for office equipment. They didn't want to go lease it. They just wanted to go buy it. We got an insurance service. They got 50,000 funded in 6 hours with online checkout. They needed funds to hire new agents and to do advertising. HVAC, 65,000. They're out of Kansas. This is their fourth renewal. They need the funds for inventory. They got a job coming up, and they're waiting for other people to pay them. So they just needed it for short term. A restaurant for 22.5 in Texas. They needed it for a new piece of equipment. A medical spot, a $250,000 one in Florida. Online checkout in 2 hours. The client took another 4 days to decide. They needed the funds for their business expansion. That's a big one. Tax and accounting service, 50,000. They're out of Mississippi. They needed funds to advertise and hire 2 new service agents for this season. Landscaping company, 12.5 in Georgia, needed funds for a new mower. We got a remodeling and handyman service, $20,000 in Alabama. Needed funds for paint and trim inventory. By the way, these aren't the largest necessarily for the week. We got others that were 100, whatever. These are just different and unique in different states. A masonry company, 75,000. They just need it for working capital. Got payroll and some other things coming up. And then a healthcare therapist, 25,000 out of California, working capital. The insurance payments from the government are late, and she doesn't have the funds to get through the month until the her invoices are paid. So